Hi guys, this is Asif from Anza Tutorial. Guys, today I will tell you about Euclid's division lemma and algorithm. These two terms are similar but they have bit difference. And it is very easy to find out this. I will tell you. Guys, we have been traditionally dividing the numbers in this way. Say for example, you have to divide this number 131 by 3. So 3 fours are 12, then remainder 1, then 1 here, then 3 threes are 9, and again remainder 2. Is it not, guys? Now, this can be written as the multiplication of 3 and 43. So, this 131 can be written as 3 into 43, 3 into 43, and this plus 2. That remainder is left. That remainder has to be added to make 131. We'll give you this. So guys, in place of 131, there can be any number. So if you take a general number or integer, say A, and divide by B, a divisor, then you will get some quotient here, quotient Q. And here some number will come, and again there will be some remainder. So remainder we are representing by R. Okay, guys? Similarly, how we represented this number as 131 as multiplication of two integers plus remainder, like in the same way we can represent this also. Same way. Say in place of 131, write A, then divisor, then quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. And that is nothing but Euclid's division lemma. Guys, lemma, not algorithm. Algorithm is the series of steps which we use while calculating HCF of two numbers. So guys, this division lemma of Euclid's can be written in the form of a statement this way. Let there be two integers a and b. There exist two more integers q and r such that a equals bq plus r and r is either equal to 0 or greater than 0 but less than the divisor b. Guys, this will become clear when we solve the questions from exercise 1.1. Okay guys, so this is the division lemma. Now what is division algorithm? Now guys, we will go back to our previous classes where we were finding out HCF of two numbers, say for example 18 and 64. This way, 64 divided by 18, 18 3s are 54 and remainder is 10, right? Now this is first step. Now in the next step, this 10, remainder 10 will become divisor, new divisor in place of 18, and 18 will become our dividend. 10 ones are 10 and we are getting remainder 8, right guys? Similarly, this 8 will become our new divisor and 10 will become dividend, new dividend. So 8 ones are 8 and remainder 2. Now again this 2 will become new divisor and 8 will become new dividend. 2 fours are 8 and remainder is 0. Guys, carry on doing this till you get 0. So you can see here we have several steps here. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. And in the last step, the last divisor is 2. So the last divisor is only HCF. HCF of these two number 18 and 64. Now guys, this was a combined form of calculating HCF. Now we will do it by separating these steps. Now we shall separate these steps to make algorithm which is known as Euclid's division algorithm. So guys, here we have to find out which is greater. Here we can clearly see that 64 is greater than 18. You write the first step like this. So using division lemma, what is division lemma? You know it here. It is written here. A is equal to BQ plus R. So in place of A, we shall write 64 is equal to, see here, 18 into 3. So 18 into 3 is 54 plus 10. As you can see, remainder 10 here. It was 10, so it will become here as first step. Now guys, you have to see, as I told you, we have to do this till we get the remainder 0. So since remainder is not equal to 0, so we have to proceed further. Now ask this gentleman 64 to go away and invite this 18 here in place of 64, 18, and then this remainder will become new divisor, and you know 10 ones are 10 here. From here, this from this series also you can see what we have done here. So 10 ones are 10 plus 8 remainder. Okay guys, nothing to worry. Now again, this since remainder is not equal to 0, so we will go to the next step. So we shall ask this gentleman 18 to move away and invite 10 in its place to become a new dividend and remainder to be a new divisor. So you can see 8 ones are 8 plus 2. Guys, again the remainder is not equal to 0. So we have to go to the next step by sending this gentleman 10 away and inviting 8 in its place and asking 2 to become new divisor. So here 2 fours are 8 plus 0. So that's all. We have to find a remainder 0. So guys, now here, since last divisor is 2, therefore HCF of 18 and 64 is equal to 2. This is our final answer. So guys, this division algorithm of Euclid can be written as a series of well defined, they are well defined steps to solve a problem. If you write this much only, it will do problem. Okay guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and do like and share and give comments. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.